So it's this team base station that somebody says use a box of matches. I must get one. Watched a repair video. A lot of work went into repairing some mangled coils, and one of which we've ended up pinching from one of our own sets. And as I said in the video, we've put something back which is out of a scrap Bannerton Route 66, which kind of works, but the radio is deafer than it should be at 7 microvolts. So we'll find a scrap team European set which will have no value, and we'll recover our part that way. I didn't want to recover our part back from this because the printed circuit boards in these kind of sets aren't going to hold up to multiple unsolderings and things. So the real downside of these type of sets is the wishy-washy squelch. So let's see whether Mr. Chippie's there. We're now on Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Hello there, we're recording.
Roger that, with a Roger bleep as well.
I've turned it off so as not to annoy you.
Roger. Right, come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. Put the night lights on.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you Ancaster service station. I bet they're shut.
You are correct.
Roger.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
Take it that's scan. Thought I'd better intervene and stop it. Oh, no, to miss Mr. Chippie.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilson. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
So we're nearly on full squelch here, and as you, if you saw on the repair video, it was just over 1 microvolt, which is so weak. If you lived in a town, you know, S2 of rubbish, and it would be open all the time. You'd be sat there with the RF gain to make it squelch out. So really spoilt by that. But they're all the same.
Tango 21 to Mr. Chippie. Now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger, now you're loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford, better than I thought. We're on Team Euro 3100 UK, and he's doing a full 4 watts over.
Roger that, all received. Right, we're now going over Wilson Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Colby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn. So the Kelby turn is the 4 mile point. So the worst one should be the next one, which is the Greyleys turn. And then you should come up a little bit on signal at the 6 mile point at Roresby Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Greyleys turn. Roger got you going over Roresby Level Crossing. And I expect that petrol station shut too. 185.7, 195.9. Right, well that concludes the test, thank you. 1010. I'll just pop that squelch up a little bit more. I just had it on the verge for those last 3. Right, well that, considering what that radio's gone through, I think that's come up very well. There are better sets out there, you know, like the Zabanet based ones which we use. But anyway, it does work. And so what can we say? We'll go over to our base station. It's got the factory original microphone, so that's always nice. See what they sound like. I'll switch the Roger Bleep on, and then we can hear what it sounds like. So as I say, really the big letdown on this chassis is the squelch, but we've done that 6 mile test, and that's fine. So go over to Harrier Base.